Hey little explorers, welcome to Playdate Club. Today we're going to play a super fun game, Guess the Animal Sound. Are you ready? I'll play a sound and you have 3 seconds to guess which animal makes it. Let's start with something wild. Roar! Who could that be? It's loud and powerful. You got it. It's the king of the jungle, the lion. Whoa, that sounds like a trumpet. Who could be making that noise? Yay, it's our big friend, the elephant. Guess the next sound. Ooh, haha, someone's swinging in the trees. Yes, it's the cheeky monkey. Moo-oo, this one lives on the farm. Do you know it? Correct, it's the gentle cow. Woof, woof, this friend loves to play fetch. That's right, it's the playful dog. Meow, a tiny sound this time. Who's that soft and sneaky friend? It's the cuddly cat. What's that sound? Quack, quack, someone's having fun in the water. Yes, it's the duck. Did you hear that? Nay, this one loves to gallop fast. You guessed it, it's the horse. Uh-oh. Can you guess 2 animals this time? Listen carefully. You're amazing. You guessed them all. Great listening, little genius. Don't forget to like, share, and join Playdate Club for more brain games.